that the human things Sujiba, the wonder, Chu Xiagi, that to do Rizikere, Sezandelia Pebegi, that Yabzi, Jangurubuchi, Gabzi Gazurumbuchi, Nabani Urshube, Jubegu Namadang, Anazingi, Kiboge Sine, and Anazingi. And Chazum Homo Sayam Mazo Sanlolia Romade Pevdelia Gazushada Tene Niedon Jushilegi Nalo Sadushavi Indusane Nambalinge Solia Niedon Jushile da Losara Los Avendina Lolia, Uzu Setan Yongadang, Samdi Chishin Jube, Mundu Shuai.
As it is now time to begin my teachings on the Ngondro practice at this 31st Kajumanlam, I'd like to begin by welcoming all of you who are here, led by His Eminence Jamgon Rinpoche, His Eminence Gyatso Rinpoche, all the other tulkus, all the kenpos, all the male and female monastic sangha, and all of you. And also I wish to offer you my best wishes for this new year, 2014, for your good health and for the fulfillment of all your aspirations.
Andrei Dusane Andari Tindelia Soju Shadi Nedu Dreme Gi Umane, the Longma, Gayumonum, T. Sujubegala, Nedu Dreme Chazingi, Munduchi, Jawolotaya Zesha, Nedu Dreme di Gozune, Tumongi, Wondershi, the Trusimere, Talone, Tumoma in being Wondershi and Gozuer. That delay at Habo. Tari energy Gamro the Dorsim de Sanasama. Ting Susuji become the Gamro the Dorsim de Sanasama. That Nijigi and Shishabi.
Our main topic this morning is to continue with an explanation of the Torch of Certainty. This is the commentary on the practice of Mahamudra and especially its preliminaries, composed by Jamgon Lodro Tai. I began to explain this last year during the 30th Kajumalam, during which we completed the explanation of the common preliminaries. We now begin the explanation of the uncommon preliminaries, and I thought that we might be able to get through the refuge and the Vajrasattva by devoting a session to each.
Da Teleang Ani Jidangi Chevimina Jikadre Chu Chebabu Delina Chu Ma Xiangin Chu Chebabu Koranlaya Ji Sini Be Yonsu Zobaji Majumba Imbinia Sini Kokadre chega samar da tsini yons zo jo ma jumi ne tsini khala khan zum zo de be de gu yo re chue nian ba bu de le ne ya de dan di xin gi chue nian be ge da gu long ma no wa da ga na xin gi lu nga ge jo wa ma no wa de gu yo re da yi ne ya chue xie ba bu ren ni de dian zhe wei ge da tsini yons zo ba da pa sha ne tsini khala khan sam samar wa da ji 대야 매임bre 아들이 뉴스안에 안디 토래야 안 가상 디지 수 대부매버 차지 and preparation somewhere 저지 다 디즈에 챌린지 좀아서 다다 디즈 기시디 마데르비도 아들이 뉴스안에 당분이 친이 마사베 갈 저지디 야부 마치체 근데 다들이 내기시야디 다 상전需要的좀 수수송 오차르지 마도베 현강 용스마레 다 인비네야 안더리디 프로그램 레림 좀 수사위인데 마셰치 카좀 되는这个 매브레 제상당한 강투도지 마가슈에다 조디 정보를 치제제 티 코랑 그 토네 마슈야 안 참점지 수수기 셈그 초아 저 충분히나 안데메 가가슈 마테거需要기 배주슈이 노바의 트위게 차충부이나 나발랭게 성물로야 다다네 수수슈이
Generally speaking, the teacher of Dharma needs to be fully qualified. And if they're not fully or completely qualified, they need to be at least semi-qualified, by which I mean partly qualified. Also, those listening to Dharma must have the unmistaken motivation and also be engaged in appropriate conduct of body and speech. However, I think that in this instance, the teacher here is not particularly qualified, on top of which I was also unable to prepare for these lectures. So therefore, I feel a little bit uneasy that this might prove somewhat embarrassing. However, as the program has been set, it would not be okay for me to simply remain silent. So I will go through this commentary by Jamgul Lodrö and add from time to time my own feelings and reflections about it. If there's anything wrong in what I say, I apologize to you beforehand.
다들이야 다 도만들이야 다가로 자생 영어를 치 예전 좀 뒤에 저기 달로 미세 야게 토려야 지 규르요래 엄마 야게 토려 규르샤와 닝버지 규르닝버지야 된 규르닝버데 버지 인지게 토네 야게를 술 규르샤버지 이스레 다가나시데 차상화지 유서 말해 무시기 티디죠 유서 말해 이내야 다들이 오늘도 무시기 티 차상화 대한 벽에 나는 수 태거 규르네 다디 토라나랑 게네야 데스지 가수에다 그 데스테스를 지 가수에다 바 슈단으로 땅도 세래 제자한테 남을 내게 수버지 토유베 저와예 드린 주산에 안다 인식에 토려야 간저 유명해 야고하고 마송 안데 주산에 다 샴리아 쿠란 정거를 시제셔베 티 쿠란 토나마 슈이스.
This year, we have made available a translation of the Torch of Certainty, Jamgul Lodrö's commentary on the Mahamudra and its preliminaries, in the Chinese language. There was an older or previous translation into Chinese. However, it was based on the pre-existing English translation, and also it was incomplete. It did not include the actual practice of Mahamudra. Now we have a translation into Chinese that is both complete, it includes the actual practice, and is based directly on the Tibetan original. I've also reviewed it and corrected it. So I hope that you have received this. I'm not entirely sure what the situation is with respect to the new English translation. In any case, I'm going to go through the text. Then this chapter begins, then the stages of meditation for going for refuge, the first of the 4 uncommon preliminaries.
Saso tabe shinga miyashi jashawa, nemna nin tigna barchewa. Zanjang nyushi me ro tume kanyu yenla yedan denbe, chuzu hlai cha genyin drobo tume kanwa. Tsuyi do baksang jujishin rubuchi li jube, longzhe me do go tuyo. Dongbu zawa chile yega choshi yu ngara keba, dugdar chi yu yi dewa sengi yeyi dibirin buchi che. Lazegi kwe rin tamebe kabe,
Imagine that the place in which you are is an utterly pure realm, vast and spacious. Its ground is pliant, so that if you press it down, it gives way and springs back up when released. This ground is composed of bright green grass in which grow many beautiful flowers. In the midst of this realm is a beautiful lake, the water of which has the 8 qualities of pure and potable water. The lake resounds with the sound of many bird calls, as many birds live in and around it. Growing out of the center of the lake is a wish-fulfilling tree. This tree is made entirely of precious materials, including its fruit and flowers, which are in full bloom and therefore weigh it down heavily. The tree has one central trunk and then branches into 4 branches in the 4 directions and a central branch that points upward. And these are arranged like the spokes of an umbrella. In the center where these branches divide is a precious throne upheld by 8 lions, on top of which it is covered by brocade or fabric from the Deva realms, on top of which is a 1,000-petaled lotus flower and a full moon disk.
Kundo tingu dengin nangwa debu sheji shani ye sergi doji de yun uyi chibu tukar nyonin ziba shiwe sidanji uye nyin yesu shiwe che chuksun zoba tarna zogi doyo do marbiyo shantab shab doji jirungi shuwa tsenbe yeme gu sindang uwe donbaji tuk yeba chenbe gongba.
Seated on that throne is in essence your root guru in the form of Vajradhara. He is deep blue in color, like the autumn sky. He has 1 face and 2 hands. His right hand holds a golden vajra, and his left a silver bell. These are crossed over his heart. His gaze is peaceful, and he is adorned with the 13 ornaments of the peaceful Sambhogakaya, such as the crown, the earrings, and so forth. He has an upper garment of multicolored silk and a skirt of red silk. He is seated with his legs fully crossed in Vajra posture and is majestic, blazing with light, fully adorned with the marks and signs of Buddhahood, and gazes upon you or thinks of you with great joy.
디 우주네 야라 림바신 빼만 인제왕 명치루 야소 düdüdoji shegi zone wonju chanju doji shegi dendu ishi doji ishi nyembo chuyin doji shegi wonju wonju doji gojo yanla miyu doji sangi nyembo chera ja beju dendu jabe sambo tongwa den de rigbere de dijin shibo kajo wangbo rebe doji yongde doji beronju doji uyenba rejeba chujin boshi wangba sonam doji zhongen rejin sange chabo tuzum kenba nyame chabo jizumila mabalozo mijiba shawari paboludu saraha lodurinji doji shanam tuzida 대 반만게 난게차로 타고 인주 점민 견주 때로 나로 인주 차다소 파베기 기로 라마는 찐들 때문에 쇼바
Starting from above his head and one above another are Pemanyenje Wompo Mepam Chutrup Jamsu Dudu Doje Chuchi Jungne Jamsu Doje Chuchi Jundu Yeshe Doji, Yeshe Nyingpo, Chuying Doji, Chuchi Wongchu Doji, Koncho Yenla, Michu Doji, Sanje Nyingpo, Chudak Jansu, Pajo Dondo, Jamba Zambo, Tongwan Dondo, Rikpe Rodri, Deshin Shekpa, Kachu Wombo, Robe Doji, Yuntun Doji Pal, Rangchun Doji, Ojenpa, Rinchen Pal, Drupchen Karma Pakshi, Ponda Sonon Doji, Drongo Richen Sanje Dra, Dusum Champa, Nyame Dapo, Jitsun Milarepa, Mapa Lotsa, Metrepa, Shawari, Papa Ludu, Saraha, Ludu Rinchen, and finally, Dorje Vajradhara. And then surrounding them, in the sky or space surrounding them, are the 6 ornaments of Jambudvipa, Telopa, Naropa, the masters of the Drikung, Drogpa, Tselpa, Talung, and so forth, all of the learned and accomplished masters of India and Tibet gathered like clouds.
Tishagi Yagar Pini Roy Dindu, Doji Pamula. 대개 상승 규퇴 대행성 자동 지성 뒤기 콜로 소 유리 시주기 이름 사람점기 거와
On the eastern branch, in front of the gurus, standing on a lotus sun and corpse, is Vajravarahi, surrounded by other yidams such as Chakrasamvara, Hevajra, Guya Samaja, Mahamaya, Buddhakapalin, Chatupita, the Black Yamantaka, the Six-Faced Yamantaka, Vajrabharava, Kalachakra, and all the other yidams of the 4 or 6 tantras.
Yegar Sinti Bender Dajaga Mashaka Tuvala, Gesan Sange Donzasu, Chuju Tusum, Sanganam Goa, Yagi Yegar Tambesh, Suraviana Juni, Kevras Tijin Stanga, Yudi de Jeva, Ligum Ginamba, Serdon Chachimir. On
the branch to the right of the gurus, seated on a lion throne, lotus, and moon, is our teacher, Buddha Shakyamuni, surrounded by the 1,000 Buddhas of this fortunate kalpa and all of the Buddhas of the 3 times in 10 directions. On the branch to the rear of the gurus is all of the Holy Dharma, the speech of the Buddha, of the 12 branches of the Buddha's teachings, especially the tantras of the Mahayana secret mantra. All of these in the form of books with a golden brocade brocade and colorful and bright, all of them radiating the sound of the vowels and consonants.
Yuengi Yegar Riksum Gomboso Neve Sege, Gersangi Semba, Chusung, Lungao, Neden Jurus, Tibachijung, Ginduin Chansim, Yeram Pangme Shuba. Walk upon some doji page Ranjuma, Chashiba, Chargeable Zorgu, Ishi Chuyon, Bow under some you give a Shubin Dungu, and some you Miyaba Shubin Dungu, such as Rani Kurba.
On the branch to the left of the gurus are the lords of the 3 families and the rest of the 8 heart sun bodhisattvas, all of the bodhisattvas of this fortunate aeon, the Buddha's supreme 2 Shravaka disciples, Ananda, the 16 elders, in short, all of the Arya Sanghas of the Mahayana and Hinayana, bodhisattvas, Shravakas, and Prachika Buddhas. And beneath these sources of refuge are the protectors, Dorje Benachen, Rangjun Jalmo, the four-armed Mahakala, the six-armed Mahakala, and all other wisdom protectors, Viras and Dakinis, inconceivable numbers of them. And then one imagines oneself in front of this assembly, facing it.
Ti zawe pa yuandu mazur gyube namge khajib yisimje namda kebardo dangwe zhenebeki tongme ne shagyun lensha subin zedun jumbu tamje chomso su kheba namje zhenbe rengni yiche de tamje lu gyube tejar yi gyube teme nga gyube gyamzhi ja ngur tiri dembar mela yi shen do mayimbar gyamzhi sidyen yi la samsin gyadong su jeta semge lang.
Further, imagine that to your right is your father of this life, to your left your mother of this life, and led by them that you are surrounded by all other sentient beings, especially those enemies who hate you, obstructors who harm you, and all of your karmic creditors, who have taken the form of spirits or demonic beings. Think that all of these beings gathered like a vast crowd are led by you in the act of going for refuge. Led by you, all join their palms together in a physical demonstration of devotion. Rest their minds in a state of devoted faith and aspiration. And with speech, respectfully and melodiously recite the words of going for refuge. Thinking that, without allowing your mind to be distracted to anything else, and while reflecting on the meaning of the words of the refuge vow, recite the refuge vow 100 or 1,000 times and so forth. At the end of the session, generate bodhicitta. At the conclusion of the session, think that the sources of refuge, together with their seats and thrones, melt into light and dissolve into you, causing their bodies, speech, and minds, and your body, speech, and mind to become inseparable. Thinking that, allow your mind to rest naturally. At the end, dedicate the virtue. Imagination. So that concludes the part of this chapter that gives the imagination or meditation to be performed during the practice. What follows now is an explanation of the meaning of taking refuge and an introduction to the vow of refuge itself.
That's Simjengi Kashruda. Do the Simjen Namgi Negoki Turnjida Turdu return number ni Joya Vimere.
There are two things to be accomplished. The ultimate benefit of beings and the natural or the nature of beings.
That interview negab the Tardugi, there's a Tundu Neveki, Gibu Kandaji Minia, the Neji Ashredago, Ransusugi, Druja, Deshagi, the negab the Tardugi turned the Drube shadow, the Drubegi, Topsam, the Drube Nyamlela, Zunga.
So, in order to accomplish these two aims, the immediate benefit of beings and the ultimate benefit of beings, an individual needs to exert themselves.
냠렌디 모 컨트지바 다나 신 구름 컨트이바 다나 신 다가나 냠렌디 지 차상와 진짜지 가르에 학과기 다 섬중기 예시 선한다도 섬중기 예시 선한다도 아주 고도 상부지 고위에
But before actually engaging in the practice that will bring these two aims about, we first need to ascertain the nature of such practice, the sequence of the stages of practice, as well as what will make such a practice complete. And we need to gain a full certainty about these things.
대한민국 섬중기 예시함 셈레야 고도 상부지 용어를 세발라 당부 고라 디 탑섬 맹아데 나외 퇴거베이브레.
But in order to generate that certainty which arises from reflection, one first must have heard these things.
제자 지준 장방 공부 당부 퇴발을 말아 당부 퇴발을 되는 주시 일에 제발죠. 주시 일에 제발래 다 양답에 양다가 되는기 이 리베 이식이 중거래 소야.
Therefore it was said by the noble Lord Maitreya, in reliance upon hearing, one develops proper mental engagement, on the basis of which one can develop certainty.
다 퇴밭 차대야베 나의 퇴세 고세 든지질이야 되는 퇴밭 제비나 퇴밭 남다 연구 말해드린 인주사는 아주 퇴밭 남다 치고 퇴밭 남다 수도 가르쳐 버렸으나 말아주 다 덴바시기 중도 만으로와 빵랑 만으로와 셰바 다 드리지 중부이나 퇴밭 남다 중에기 고라 라제 임바레 지부 임바레 대답이게 드리 인주사네 퇴밭에야 퇴섬기 미변바 퇴밭 남다 지다 퇴밭 이제 뿌타고 초도 규버지 제와도 계점을.
Hearing, however, does not simply refer to everything we hear with our ears. What we mean by the pure hearing or the pure acquisition of Dharmic knowledge is hearing and understanding correctly the Four Noble Truths in all their aspects. And this is pure hearing and will lead to the authentic result of hearing.
퇴바 넘버 타바지 제고예의 인상 대 퇴바를 제발라 되는 계획신이 신이다 담바지 때 삼절 미기관에 수신도 땡고가래.
Since we need to engage in pure hearing, we therefore need to correctly rely upon a qualified spiritual friend, both in our intentions and in our behavior.
다 제저위기 퇴바 계획신이 리버테네 퇴섬 제규다 최망부 쉬지 아래 드레인 주산에 다 퇴섬 제약 퇴섬 제규 최간다지 오레스 라베이나 조지 반대 어디시에게 체내 운동 시제 남바만 체체겸 지점 미셰비 나베 출려 오만 렘바다 랑거 되바 탄도 랑워 차스 숨번나시 아니 가르주에다 안 소리야 카서 구두 세난다도 최기닝도 세난다도 반도나 망보질이야 체 윤통 시제가 넘버 망보 인두산에 창물로 퇴섬 세두고 말해 다 임비네야 퇴섬 매도 미로와 카서 구두 다 딘데기 최 남다질이야 라고 하되 개좀 차례.
Once we have learned to correctly rely upon a spiritual friend, what is the Dharma that we should hear from them? There is, after all, a tremendous amount to Dharma. About this, Lord Atisha said that we must extract the essence of Dharma like a swan extracting milk from the water into which it has been poured. There is so much that we could learn. We couldn't possibly learn all of it. So we need to select those aspects of Dharma that are truly necessary and practical.
대한 지당 체빈다 도마르 다꾸니 용모 배초다 남버 장추 배초 세나다도 혼대니기 라랑기 친이담 지 친이디조 아니 만제바 리버 셰베 체도 dāne bēnā jī sēmā nām drē lā sōpa tāng, ānā pārjīn tāng, ūmā tāng, ngōmbā lā sōpē kī, tā shūng chēmbō tēsū lā yāng, dāne kārchū rē, rīgbē lām nē chāng bē, ngē shī chēpar jī, kēpa chā tē, kēshū shirā rē.
First of all, in order to correctly understand the difference between utter affliction and utter purity, that is to say, the difference between samsara and nirvana, we need to gain a thorough knowledge and understanding of such great treatises as the commentary on valid cognition, the Prajnaparamita literature, the Madhyamaka, and so forth. All of these things must be studied.
Nuba meba nuba yue yang ane yang shung chenbu jibo lang go ma go chene dene benaji o da lamrim benang a chaji chimbu ngodu ti ndi double ya dene nga zugi be 퇴섬을 제제 ngar susu jang sha begi chue di sanglo nyamlen le jane oda ndi lamgi be zuori ndi lamgi yenlare di lamgi ji kikse pongdöne sambaruchi dandona nyamlen le khwa ma do begi nyamlen le mikoya da dinjegi chue jungse ge meba lo la chartu ber bu de chung yi mina a zo da samjung gi da ba thop sanan da do da samjung a 퇴상 wi nyamlen cheba de la ya töngo chung yi bere.
If someone is unable to study all of these great treatises, or while able wishes to focus on one treatise alone, it is appropriate to study expositions of the stages of the path. For example, in the Mahamudra context, like this presentation of practical instruction on the preliminaries. By doing so, one can apply all of the information one learns about Dharma to one's practice, and gain a thorough understanding of what constitutes the principal aspects of practice, what constitute its branches, what constitutes correction and enhancement. And by focusing all one learns on practice, one can develop the authentic first stage of the wisdom of reflection.
Oh yeah, that ranges and then the 퇴섬 송도 대회 토안에 데네 퇴섬 송도 제외 토안에 냠내는 주고 이미나 야 냠낸 텔에 셴다 미저베 뽑아 캐버지나 녜시 캐버지 아 데디지 토투레스.
In short, if one's practice is based upon the combination of hearing and reflection, one will have much greater confidence and much greater trust in the practice.
다 될래야 금 들려야 되네 가수에 투모메 병원으로 시티베 겁리야 짬주 미림 데 통마시 통마 짬주 티베 데 짬주 티그 그거보다 윤선 가려서 쉬비나.
Now, in this context of instruction on the uncommon preliminaries, you will have noticed that the first presented is going for refuge, including the meditation associated with that. Now, why does this come first?
대양 하나도 다 남부 상계바 땅 하나도 돼 남부 상계에 제도 수버 잠시다 남부 상계바 제제 소소리야 민다바 점식이 저거야. 디 남바 상계에 제도 추네 거바 개발진당 된 개발진 드부 개발진지 토버 제고.
It is not sufficient for us simply to include ourselves among the ranks of Buddhists and adopt the name or title of a Buddhist. To be really included among the ranks of Buddhists, we need to be developing and bringing about a good or extraordinary result.
다텔레야 뱅고 파발루루기 가르송아 가르사나 당봉 엄바르 토웨치 신ning 예브랄릭반 중스 된데지 소나와레 다디 가르송아 가르사나 나란초기 데네베 된도 녀르제기 취함 터두 미유르부터 가르사나 타바던 탐제기에 고마토야 되레스 대토바르 쳬발레야 가르고 가르사나 데네 코와 타다 동해게는 신도 셰베 니중 인중 그 잡에 탕바 튀니 로시고 아래 대개버 쳐발래야 문두그 류제 상보 대개 주주 상배 밀류 좀 못치 드리스토고 아래 된대외기 대개 주주 상배 밀류 좀 못치 대양 데네베 가르소에 놈세기 마음에 떠보는 신 가라 직라와 데레 인주산에 진짜게 딱 안들 녜래야지 기부 중요기 삼바티조 즉 체도 심한 기부 중요기 로종 차디조 가르쳐 체단데 가지고 아데 개좀 차디어스.
About this, Arya Nagarjuna said, first, the Dharma that leads to higher rebirth should be presented, and then on the basis of that, the Dharma that leads to the certain excellence of liberation and omniscience. Now, what this means is that while our ultimate or final purpose is the achievement of complete liberation and omniscient Buddhahood, the achievement of that depends, first of all, on our giving rise to an authentic and intense desire to be free. This desire to be free, in turn, depends upon a recognition of the pervasiveness of suffering in samsara. That recognition depends upon one's gaining a precious human body with its freedom and resources. And also, one must recognize the fragility and impermanence of that human body, that the human state is like a butter lamp that is running out of fuel. So one must begin with the thoughts and training of the lesser individual.
어다들이 인주산에 텐주를 가르쳐요. 탑을 주벌래야 매도 미로와 텐주기 류제 상보지 톱 대대베 텐주기 류제 상보디 되네 지 직라와 임버지 셰 아는 지 계속 지소나 개와시 랭고 아래 개와데 따지 간로 참여가 따뜻하네 짓고 가르쳐에 개와 간르지래 딩쇠매바 나들이 인주산에 디균센을 때네 딱 간다 진짜게 간다 코에 동해래야 이자네 텔레 타르 치에도 겸내 양다 쉬고 아래 겸내 양다 쉬고 선배기 론도 지기고 아래 데레 뉴스 겸내 디체도 아니 겸도디 토마스 뭐 이버레스.
Since the precious human body is necessary for the achievement of liberation, we must understand its fragility. And furthermore, that when the human body is destroyed, one automatically goes through rebirth. And we have no idea and no way to know where or as what we are going to be born. There is no certainty. And therefore, through understanding this, we give rise to fear of the sufferings of samsara. And that fear of the sufferings of samsara is what inspires us to seek authentic sources of refuge from the sufferings of samsara. It is for that reason that the refuge is presented first.
Kujo sumliya jamdu cheve kalaya kyausun drove gi juang kyausun drage ta gyumsen khanla dene ta kyausun drage kajura da gyumsen am andana shi nilu ndode kare shubina.
But what is the cause? What is the reason for which we take refuge in the three jewels? And what is the nature of doing so? There are two causes of going for refuge.
동해 태원 누구여르디 이네야 삼바다 라네 신지로 홀로네 진짜겠다 대외기 예 그래서 대화 탑에 유 개와 마주 동해 조제 유미게 와주발라 되네 땅 예수 숨도 놓고 아래 대나 예수 숨도 놓고 여기 인도사나 예수 숨도 놓고 얘기 내당으로 니수 되게 들려야 아주 직신 따바지 삼바지 고요 알았어.
The first of the two causes for going for refuge is the understanding that while all beings want happiness, what we get is suffering. The reason why we don't get what we want, why we get what we don't want, is because our wishes and our actions are contradictory to one another. While we wish for happiness, we do not engage in virtuous actions, the causes of happiness. While we wish not to suffer, we do engage in unvirtuous actions that are causes of suffering. Therefore, we are reborn in the three lower realms and suffer terribly there. So we need to understand and fear the intense and prolonged suffering of lower rebirth.
어다디 기부 충우 디술이야 텐저웨가 땅안 지고지고 와래. 다 기부 링 디술이야 코와 타다 동해의人心에 만대봐. 텔레야 되네베 직시 따글로 드리지게고 와래. 기부 침벽갑이야人이 동해기 가지지 나나 윤내야 나나 저거도스 이나야 토마 매번에 랑래야 거진 체외 마게 심제 탐제 랑와 체네 레더 녀몽 베게데 코아 진시기 코아들라 되네 코르데바디 베니 신도 니제 유레 삼바르스 텔라야 베 인지라 첨부게바 드리지고.
So the fear that is necessary for the lesser individual is a fear of the three lower realms and their suffering. The intermediate individual, because they see all of samsara as suffering, fears not just the three lower states, but fears all of samsara itself and wants freedom from that. The greater individual further recognizes that all beings throughout beginningless time have been wandering without any control or freedom in samsara and suffering terribly. So therefore, they do not fear their own suffering. They can put up with their own suffering in samsara, but they fear the further suffering of all beings. And it is from that that they seek freedom.
Oh, that in Dusane, Dina Lolia, Kora, Sishim, Sumsungdoa, Gibu Chinding Chung Sum Sana, Dodo. 야나지 로에 림바 로에 뉴바치 중 숨세난 저도 딱 강들이야 나라도 지 최주야리아 되게 가서에 force someone 잡로네 봐. 지 슈gam년로디 다디다디 직자 직신 작we 로스 말we 다 드리지 고어스 다 알아서로 컨디지도 다들 소소가 칸낭도 거네 소소리아 된데베 다지 내세르 숨여베 나네 가르도 레벨 가리난도스 그 삼동과의 개심을 잘해 아주 남주 남바 인도도 지다가지 단 릭디기 삼바르 지다 라우드 중어도 다지 라우드 중에 다 철로도 지든지 여베 인자 딘 릭디기 삼로르 데데르 마도 오늘 전에 그 답에 수술이야 인지게도 마소네 인베스티게이션 제 딱지 땅네 내 땅으로 가르치래도 딱지 땅용류 어다다 들으기 가르쳐래 내 땅 숨부 디나라다 기부 전부도 파샤 정부 파샤 기부 충원섬을 로인 뉴바 충다 대야 대라야 말리버로 디제가 아주다 소나 마시라요디가 디제질 말리베 인두산에 애니베 쳬리야베 주가가 로디 슉 첨버지다 잡로하는 봐 미자마스는 부자냐니인데 슉 첨버시다야 말데 슉 첨버시다면 인두산 아주 쳬디 다 대표즈르지 다다 거냠데 지 넘바는 되나 냠도 지금 가수로다 지 고 투주디 카카 가수 투주디 카강 투즈르지 마도베 야버지 비다버지 이건도 말았어.
So there are in that sense three types of person, or one could think of it as three levels of attitude. In any case, in all three cases, a type of fear particular to that level or that type of person is the necessary force or momentum which causes the person to engage in the practice of Dharma. And we need to have such an impetus, such a force. We need to look at ourselves, each of us as individuals, and ask ourselves the hard question, at which of these three levels am I really? We say that we're Buddhists, and because we identify ourselves as Buddhists, we think that we're okay, that that's enough. If we are monastics, we feel that because we are monastics and wear monastic robes, then we're okay, and that's enough. But we really need to investigate what our attitude is. I feel that in many cases, forget about the greater or intermediate types of individual, we may not even have developed the attitude of the lesser individual. And in that case, we lack the strong momentum that will bring us to authentically going for refuge, because there is nothing pushing us, nothing forcing us to do so.
다들 준이버데 가르쳤잖아. 이체버데. 제가 나도 담부 코에 동해시 되는 직업 시험이야. 단 직업 때문에 껴베 누가 소리 알았어. 라마 꾸졌으면 예바 인두산. 라마 꾸졌으면디 누버데 예바 닝타바네 이체버시고 알았어.
The second cause of taking refuge is faith or belief. The first is our fear of samsara. But the second aspect of our wish to go for refuge is the belief that the Guru and the three jewels can actually protect us from these sufferings.
이나야 마수다 간데 차도르서나 남주 꾸졌으면 껴서로에체 랍 이나 내가 도연주산에 베나 내다 된기 사와를 총 차와 개진들이 제고요나 다 대외 세외게 탑디 꾸졌으면 마덴베체 꾸졌으면 임바르베치 다저 모단 찌다 델라소바 든지지 망보지리아 간다를 가수에다지 잡주에 대한 거지. 그때 모다 찌드 잡주에데 지당 교회 대대 교회스게 말해디 이베나 아주 기승고 나로라 가라오랬잖아. 군조숨리야 겹수 누구 제바장 군조숨을 겹수 저지 카점 측점마도 닝다바네 이제게야 말았어. 닝다바네 이제게메 인두산 뒷잠도데 쿨 챔버지다 누버 챔버지 용도가 말았어. 그래서 갱이 컨디션 정보 이내야 샘기 푸들이야 군조숨 딱 가수에 이체백이 샘버를 첨부지에 있나 대기 가다 수술이야 간다를 가수에 rewa chimbuji dang 이제 chimbuji 뭐 진도 와라 그냥 아주 때 매비버 우토 연대사네 아니 바지 디술이시라 배주민도 섬섬으로지 다 신다지래야 잡수 들어가야 차요 대 차연대사네 아니 잠도 야고 매베다 퇴용 거라서
Unfortunately, we usually behave as though we lack this type of belief. We say that we take refuge in the three jewels, but as soon as something goes wrong, we almost invariably turn elsewhere. When afflicted by sickness or demonic persecution, we don't look to the three jewels for refuge or protection. We look elsewhere, to divination or astrology and so forth. And this is tantamount to taking refuge in those things. There's nothing wrong with using divinations or astrology, but the problem is that we have no heartfelt attitude of taking refuge in the three jewels. Our taking refuge is merely something that we feel we should do or are expected to do. And therefore, our refuge has no real power behind it. If we have the real belief, a deep-seated belief that the three jewels can protect us from the sufferings of samsara, then we will have the intense hope and intense trust that they will. But we're not like that. As soon as we become desperate under any circumstances, we turn elsewhere, which is a sign that there is something wrong with our taking refuge.
아들이 뉴스라는 아주 잘라 빼는 지대 칸을 빼는 잘라로 상부 야고치 소고는 녜래한테 잘라도 소야 그 규제 material 다들 뷰다버진 아주 당화치고 초이스치고 대체번 난신 안쪽으로 짬도 뷰다버지 야고치 용을 제발이야 짬주 균이 못해라베 슉 차고 거네 바텔라 떼네 다뒤 야고치 용아지다 땜보지 용아기 매주
If we want to create something in the world, we first of all make sure that we have the correct and pure materials needed to make that thing. It is the same thing with our vow of refuge. If we want to develop an authentic attitude of taking refuge, we need to make sure that we have the right stuff, the right material within us, the right attitude, which will allow us to do so.
다지네 겨유 겹순로 세기 유 데카레스 다땡을 송어 채블이야 무슨 채비나 겹순로 세기 유디 구조순
Well, first of all, we need to identify the sources of refuge. And our sources of refuge are the three jewels.
다들라 떠바 장어 주바사지 상기기 떠바 에 자갈라 상기기 떠바 년라지 지여버리 디나로라 가르송어서나 간실라니 녀바고 때는 용의 명하시 한라 남바 탐지도 윤된 탐지 내 주르바 가디 셈지 유엔하는 디니라 겹조시 대대테네 구하다 대대라 네버 릭제 송와르 다디 든다데 가르스 오르스나 계시 만에 미질이야 닝이 셈바 여버르지 빵랑기 오늘 전에다 페뉴 다 가르스 다 대사면 다 간다 레버 여버르지나 스마트 somewhere 남주 여버르지 미지 남주 여버지나 그거 가르쳐줬잖아 랑기 초치체네 러니 남바 임바점기 에네 지 군조송 초치바 마이마 다나시 러니 베나다 출루 신다다 마임바점시기 에드네 양 신기 초라 당와쳐바 마임바 간다 로수르네베 토네 겹던 겹마임베기 남주 가른 겹도 겹마임베 제베가 남주 켜버지 진짜게 답에 가수래다 시럽 켜버지지 미지를 유나 그 술을 겹수 조그레스 라베나 구조숨 겹수 조그레스.
In a famous praise of the Buddha that comes from India, it is pointed out that if someone has a brain in their head, if someone is smart or intelligent, if they have a good understanding of what to do, what to avoid, they will not simply identify themselves as a Buddhist or follower of the Three Jewels out of a preference for the Buddhist tradition over others, but based upon an intelligent recognition of the valid reasons for taking refuge in the Three Jewels.
Tela kunjo sumla 떼어서 drogo 균세 가르쳐다 티 가르치는 떼어서 drogo 왔을라나 떼어서 drogo게 떼바상게 좀 된데 될래야 균세 당보디 될래야 되네 베지 녀바 삼지 세버레스 뉴모바다 시제 집에 녀바 삼지 세버레 제자 지 파샤 녀베 파샤 처무서야 요 말레스 다가난시 될래야 남바 탐제도 연대다 되버레스 참sam지 연대 나 덴베서로 야 참삼 지 연대 매베서로 된대지 여기 미덴바마이 봐 연대 탐지 남바 탐지에도 연대다 덴베게 몰래야 내디에 인주사네 다 된대 인주사 디규젤 되네 상게 된데 상게 좀 상게 좀 된들 저 조레스 되네 좀 상게 좀 된들 저선 조알 슈라 되네 간다라 대기 세 파베 긴주 탐제라 저서 조아래 되네 디숨베게 롱도기 템버를 묻지 다 될래야 지 수수기 잠내용을 두시에 손에 접수 조아래 되네 인주산에 디주젠 된다 고조숨부 될래야 고조숨부디 접유도 뭐 소에 버려.
Why should we go for refuge to the Three Jewels? Well, first of all, we take refuge in the Buddha because he has eradicated all flaws without exception. He has eradicated all mental afflictions, all ignorance, all cognitive obscurations. He has eradicated even the subtlest form of habits. And therefore, he possesses all possible qualities. This is not like when we say that someone has all qualities but they only have partial attributes. The Buddha truly possesses every single good quality there is. We therefore take refuge in him, and naturally ensuing upon doing so, we also take refuge in the children of his heart, the Arya Bodhisattvas, the Arya Sangha. And we also take refuge in the Dharma that he taught, the Dharma of tradition and the Dharma of realization. It is for this reason that the Three Jewels are our sources of refuge.
다 드네. 다 샴리야. 접수에 균생시고다. 당기디 접 유용을 소체. 다 접수에 균생들이야. 균생 카시죠 알아. 균생 당보디 가라서나. 르니 지고 탐지에는 죄와. 님의 인상 교수는 루규기 딱 군조수보다는 지고 탐지를 줘와 인상 교수의 균생 당보디 상해야 알았어.
Now, why is it possible for us to take refuge in these sources of refuge? There are several reasons. The first is that the Buddha himself is utterly free from any danger or any peril whatsoever.
데데 따고 셈시라래 소소 지고다 제바 소소 지베 년에 여비나 데네 셴라 펜도 메베 띵도 런이 셴라 잡주고 알아 처여 인자 디겹수 메바레스 베나 추 라와 메바 켄종이 미디기 추 케 미신다디 오고 된 가르소에 된 투고 말았어 년갈래 저 투고 말았어 되네 인주산에 다 핀수지기 지리야 바 가르소에 주비나 창원이나 니가기 가르소에 소통자가 내가 여버레스 이 뉴사 디교전 때네 되네 가르소에 아주 코에 동에를 저거이나 코에 동에게 다 직벌래 저스미기 짬내지래 겹주고를 마도베 전이 코에 직den게 지려 코에게 전을 라와메바 지 내den게 지려 겹스라야 말았어.
We who are in peril of the sufferings of samsara, cannot protect others. If someone who is themselves in peril tries to protect others, they will not only be unable to do so, they actually need the protection of another. For example, if someone who cannot swim, who is drowning in water, attempts to rescue another person who was also drowning in the same body of water, rather than anyone being rescued, they'll drag each other down to the bottom. In the same way, we cannot effectively take refuge in someone or something that is not free from samsara. Only someone or something like the Buddha that is utterly free from the perils of samsara can free us from them.
신 접수주세 유대 신 직원을 줘야 탑락해 가지고 그래서 가르에서나 고라 직원의 동에 넘버 미라고 뭐야 알았어. 대레빈 직원의 동에 점이 대달에 대다기 가르에 내당도 튀마당 심지소수 감다 매바도 튀베 토안에 데네지 탑차 상황 데네지 시에지고 그래 데 마시에나 지고도 동에를 껴두고 말했으니 주산에 신 지고를 저 탑락해 와디 연대지 상고.
The second reason why we can take refuge in the three jewels is that they possess the skill needed to free others from the sufferings of samsara. In addition to being free oneself from the sufferings of samsara, in order to serve as a source of refuge for others, one needs the skill or knowledge that recognizes the specific remedies needed for the many different types of suffering and many different types of peril that beings encounter. One needs to know the means appropriate in each case, as well as those appropriate to the dispositions of different individual beings.
아드네 균진 숨버들이야 투지 시험보에 일이 매버지고 그래서 다때 가라서나 랑 간도 접수 조세기 유대 일이 차단 차고 유대게 드리지 예외이나 참선 접수기래 참선 접수기 말해 나 진짜 뭐이 봐 랑 간도 접수 조세 유대 일이 차단 매봐 심지 탐제를 녀봐 심 녀봐 드리지 예외이나 양아서 심지 리메봐 탐제기 겹다 초보를 차 조여하래 드네 뉴스안에 디기 연대 상과야 돼 계속 찾아가.
The third reason why we can take refuge in the three jewels is that they possess impartial great compassion. An authentic source of refuge must be utterly impartial in their compassion. If they are preferential, then they might provide refuge at some times and not provide it at others. But the three jewels are utterly impartial in that they have equal compassion for all beings without preference.
나드네 시버디 펜 따와다 마다와 탐지기 된자와 나디 가르서는 소술이야 수 된저베다 니리 매베 이나야 야 소술이야 수 펜도 징해 주나 델리 대련도 파 펜버주 소술이야 펜 단계도 당 소술이야지 저기 가르서야지对当 구루와 징해도 뭐좀이나 델레 펜미도 봐 진짜 뭐인바 내가 탐제도 심진신이 된 혼날래야 쉬어 심진신이야 펜버 뭐시 주바 아다 드리지기 계주암 연대지 창고야
The fourth attribute that an authentic source of refuge must possess is they must be willing and able to help not only those who help or benefit them, but those who do not. They must be willing and able to help beings whether or not they treat them with service and respect, and not only help others in repayment of what others have done for them.
다들 인도산에 지수 상황로 된저비 다 겹수에 기장 코라 가수에다 겹수 가수 외외 규제 다 되게 주 덤바 상기 좀 된데 이게 다 겹수에 규제 차디야래 다 덤바 상기 좀 된데 겹수 외외 규제 상여바 될라 때네 담배 쉐양 겹수에 받다 고란 거지
Now, these attributes of a fit source of refuge primarily refer to or pertain to the Buddha himself. But because the Buddha possesses these attributes, it automatically ensues that the holy Dharma taught by him is also a fit source of refuge.
배 자천부 폐연천부 누바천부 딘데지 예바 있나 다 되게 가서 컨디스 깨버렸어 나 아주 깨민도 와서 다 간다 과 딘데베 누바천부 예바 시에나 마시에나 과 시에나 쳐서 깨민도 아주 다디 과 동해를 실 참대 버려 드린 산에 아디 자천부 개천부 제제 시에데 마데스 깨민도와 가르잖아 뭐이 니즈 되려야 거버 주민도 와서 TV나 다 들려야 Given
that these sources of refuge are so wondrous, can bring such benefit, have so much power, we might entertain the question, well, how exactly can or do they protect us? I don't feel particularly protected right now. I'm still suffering in samsara. So exactly how is it that the three jewels are supposed to protect me?
니 땡고 땡가라서나 나주 껴버 제발라스 껴버 제발라 유인이 상고 유인이보다 가라 유인 당보다서나 치교암 치예람 취 자기는 직상고 니버들야 난기 자기야 난기 유 니상 디니 니상보이나 어느 신의 잡토레스 디니 니 마사지 직상 직마도 현바도 마상아 이미나 The
answer to this question is found in a praise to the Buddha written by the great master Dignaga, in which he raised 2 points. He said that in order for us to be protected by the three jewels, there need to be 2 conditions, the external condition and the internal condition. And that without the presence of both of these, we will not be protected.
대래야 취 차기인데 가르서나 덤바상게 좀된데 코랑기 담보 전주서도 투게네 바도 추니사 통원버서 잡아 상게 되게데 상물로 알아주 체들이 제제 공기 다 간다 배주를 들이 나야 아래 들이 인주산 딱 공급에 가서 치기 차기에는 차장디 공 좀버를 제야 좀 돼요. 임베나 난기 차게암 난기 규대 가르선 마주베 로데 링규르 사란다도 베이 베데 야사 야탐바 구조스물이야 이 가서 이 체네 껴슨지 거 아래 텐저위 껴슨지 것이 유나 난기 차게 좀 버래 매나 차게 만져 버래.
The outer condition is the Buddha. That is to say, that he first generated bodhicitta, subsequently gathered the two accumulations, and finally achieved perfect and manifest Buddhahood for our benefit. The presence of the Buddha is the presence of the outer condition. But the inner condition that is also necessary is our unreserved entrustment of our welfare, 100% to the three jewels. Without the presence of that inner condition of complete, unreserved entrustment of our well-being to the three jewels, we will not receive their protection.
Oh yeah, that's in the Jatama Joseph Zimba, you may say, this how what is an the Sangil gives shows some shiki, Pingo Mare, Temo Jawa Zangi Pingo Mare, Miju Tamba something, but Galacabre. Dark and this Rana. Jasa Jatama Yishi, you may de Sangi soon be Chedi, Susu Jasa Jatambaji, Yamsu Lemale, tell to the Miji Jasa Jatama Yishi, Kuishe, Gizdilla, Jasa Jatama Yishi. Deliang Azugi, ten Yamnecha or Nindusane, Tijus Dene, by Yiche, Jasa Jatama, you may say, Sangel Bele Shed of Jumaiba. I just say, Gadinche said there was a Maiba. Sosu Rangulia, Che, Tambe Churumbuche, Nyamso, that Jasa Jatama, Nyamso, Lengi Yume, that Della Tude.
How can we ascertain whether or not we are entrusting ourselves 100% without reservation to the three jewels? We cannot assess this simply by observing whether or not we say, I take refuge in the Buddha, or whether or not we join our palms in reverence upon hearing the Buddha's name, or whether or not we are moved to tears by hearing of the Buddha. We can only ascertain whether or not we are entrusting ourselves 100% to the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha by observing whether or not we are capable of practicing 100% of the Buddha's teachings. It is not sufficient for us to praise the Buddha. It is necessary for us also to implement his teachings. And only if we are 100% committed to such implementation are we 100% entrusting ourselves to the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha.
Kadam Komatis Karasung Arasana Sangi Jumden de Rangwene Daji Tsuni Yongsuzoba in Zang, the Simjan Tamji Gijilia, Dreveg, Nuba. Not the Yoris. Yoris. Dawana Sangi Nuba Yevina. That's Simjan Tamji Dremish of Hajarista. Dungeg not Jugni. Then Sangi Nizmeoresana. The matters. Telayang Azunam you, some Jimmy Java Shishia. Sangi in the Sangi Mijava, Simjin come some Jimmy Java Shia. Jeza Sangi, some Jimmy Java in Banasi, Simjin, that some Jimmy Java in Jusan, Yomba in Jusan, Sangi can't Jayama. Sangi, that Jidin Kuba was Sorcene, Jidin Kuba was Samanta, Koran, Jidin Be Karsure. Big boss of the church, that Karsene, Karthasene, Koran Chechochi. Yomara. The Indusane, Simji Lenge Savina, or Lenge Savi, Namindi, or Mingo, or Tela Sangi of Soshaske, or Marcaresana, that Korangi Lenge Jebin Jubutella, or number member Dunga Chimati, Korataka, Lay, Lenjek Dotare, Lenjek Dotan de Lea, Sangi subject of Shaskeyama. Or that the name in Indusane. or the digita some give me give it net the GB in Dusane, Tiguzel Dene, Naranzungen, Sangil Nubasam give me ever something Pingoman, Naranzungen, that under Chagan of the day, Zombo.
In the words of Kadampa forebearers, because the Buddha has perfected the gathering of the two accumulations, he actually has the power or ability to liberate all beings in a single instant. This invites the question, why does he not do so? Why does he allow us to suffer? Is the Buddha not compassionate? No. There are said to be 4 things that are inconceivable. One of them is the attributes and power of the Buddha. Another is the state and obscurations of sentient beings. The Buddha is not like some big boss of the universe who can change our karma. If beings accumulate negative karma, they will experience the result of their actions. And the Buddha cannot change that. So in spite of the Buddha's inconceivable power or ability, he cannot negate our karma.
나전에 구르디 여배 인도산에 되네 아내디 급질이야 세라당 세라 남과는 막 세라 창고당 세라 창고 던주산에 거라 계시 미디 구르디나르래 주위입니다. 어고 세레 동어 말았어. 꼭 구르디나 먼주세 야르주 마르주 탕첨부지 야주 머주 세잖아. 안다 세레 동야마도 말했어. 되는 신기 코로안디 탕자심부터 지원을 쳐. 구르데 상게 구조습니다 그치. 구르기나 드네 인도상 구르텔라 세라를 껴베 누버야. 이는 미디 구르디나 먼주나 구르텔라 세라를 껴베 누버 예장 세라를 껴두고 마. 대난신 알아서 대난신기 군조습리야 코알이 껴베 누버 예장 수수 군조습리 껴서 로네 담배 취냐서 말레나 군조습라 코알이 껴베 누버 예장
To give you an analogy, imagine a vast field. In the center of that field is a person, and near that person is a tent. There occurs a hailstorm, and the person is being hit by hailstones. If they enter the tent, they will be protected from the hailstorm, because the tent is strong enough to protect them and shelter them. But as long as they do not enter the tent, they will continue to be struck by the hailstones. Well, in the analogy, the person usually does not enter the tent. Instead, they run all over this vast field, up and down and left and right. But no matter where they run in the field, other than the tent, they're still going to continue to suffer being struck by the hailstones. In the analogy, the field represents samsara. The tent represents the protection afforded by the 3 jewels. The tent has the power to protect the person from the hailstorm, but not if they don't enter it. In the same way, the 3 jewels have the power or ability to protect us from the hailstorm of samsara, but not if we refuse to practice Dharma, which is like failing to enter the tent.